Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my studio here in Los Angeles, and I'm about to show you one of my favorite mat exercises, the Jackknife. I literally love this exercise so much. It challenges everything our body has learned so far in the mat. It really does teach you overhead teach from the reformer, and overhead on the reformer really helps teach you Jackknife. And if you can learn the rhythm, you're gonna find that not only do you have a really flexible spine, but you have a very strong spine. Because there is this like momentous moment, which isn't one, and then there's this control moment, which if your legs are as long as mine, it's hard. So this Jackknife, you're going to, if you have handles, it's better. See how I have handles on my mat? If you don't, you can have your arms down by your side, it's totally fine. If you're using a Cadillac and you're gonna push into the poles, I don't mind that, just be careful of all the props that are hanging around your Cadillac. I don't want your feet to hit anything or get caught. So, but with these handles, I'm not pushing with my shoulder girdle, like my upper traps and my deltoids and my biceps. I'm actually reaching from my back. So you wanna feel that your sternum is heavy and your back is wide, because you're gonna stand on your shoulder girdle. So I'm not gonna roll my legs over and land on my neck. If you're gonna do this with me, watch it first and then rewind and then do it with me. Don't look at me while I'm giving you directions and your legs are overhead. That's a safety situation. You don't wanna be looking around. So we're gonna take our legs long and together, lift them up and over, and then all the way up to the sky. Now, you want to get the weight of your body on that shoulder girdle, not your neck. And then you're going to roll it down. The toes are over the eyeballs. They're not past my head. And then you're going to lower your legs to where you can keep your stomach connected. Maybe it's all the way down. Maybe it's halfway. You lift up and then up to the sky. And then you roll down. Now let's go with the rhythm. It's over, up, and then control it down. Again, over onto the shoulder girdle, up from your back, and roll it down. Some things to keep in mind. I don't want you to bring your legs to you and then you roll over. That would be cheating. So you want to try to lift your hips way up there so the angle is the same as when you end up bending your back and your legs get here. Another thing, you don't want your legs to come down on you as you roll down. So just keep those things in mind. As much as that looks like a flexion ab exercise, it is an entire amazing back exercise. It really does help prepare you for the rest of your mat series, strengthen your back, and gets you into some things that you're gonna need when you're on your reformer or doing other things in the other parts of the room. So if you have any questions, you wanna feel what this is like flowing in a mat class, just comment below or check out my classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com. It's only $5 a week, and you get to experience these exercises, all the ones that are before and after it, in one 30-minute workout. It's pretty fun. So if you have any questions, just ask. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching.